Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. So what we're doing today, as you saw from the title of this video, I'm finally doing the power of makeup, which was started by Nikki Tutorials. I'm sure you've heard about this. She did it like a couple years ago. She actually uploaded the power of makeup back in May 10th, 2015. So if you haven't heard about it, it's basically her doing her makeup only on half of her face, and I'm gonna be giving you guys some information on the video if you didn't happen to watch it or if you forgot about it. And if you're interested, just keep on watching. I'm just gonna go in, and the side of my face that I'm gonna do is probably my right side just because I'm right-handed. And I hope the lighting is good. It is rather cloudy today. I'm filming this on Saturday. You guys are going to be seeing this on Sunday. And I haven't been posting on Sundays just because I was like planning some things. And I am changing a couple things on my channel, which I don't think you guys are going to notice that much. But I am just going to address it in a later video, maybe in a couple weeks. Because it's not like super important that you guys have to, know now. Yeah, I'm just gonna include it in a different video. So I'm just like lining it. Let's see if I don't forget that I'm only doing one side of my face and then I end up doing the other one. And the reason that I like to do this is because, I don't know, I really like my brows. I do want to get back into like micro pencil. Again, I'm trying to use my L'Oreal Infallible concealer and it's almost out. I did take out the stopper. This is the first time I take out the stopper for product. This is actually my second attempt of doing this video. I have tried it back when I started my channel. I didn't officially start posting consistently until this year, and I believe it was June or July or something, or before that, I don't remember. But I did start posting like sporadic videos a couple years ago, maybe 2017 or something, and I wanted to try. I did mention this in my how to film beauty videos using your iPhone 7 series. I do have 2 videos on that playlist if you want to give those a watch. I did mention that I did want to start my channel earlier, but it just never worked out. Like, I never had enough memory on my phone, because I do film with my phone if you didn't know. I didn't know how to edit, and the music selection that I would find weren't that great, and it was like everything was going against me. And I did try to film it, and it was not like me talking or anything. So I feel like once you clean it up, it's a little better. I'm just gonna clean up the top part too. And yeah, so I did try to film it once, but it didn't want, I didn't film the whole thing. Like, it stopped in the middle because there was not enough memory on my phone. So I just decided to remove my makeup because I couldn't do anything about it. But yeah, so this is my second attempt, and this time it's happening. It's crazy because from this concept that Nikki Tutorials did, which was the power of makeup, she actually got so many opportunities. She got to collab with Too Faced, which, I'm not really talking about the drama. I don't know about the behind the scenes. If you're watching the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star series, you already know what went down. So she came out with her Too Faced collaboration, and it was the power of makeup palette, which I told you guys that I actually own, and I was gonna use it for this video, but my sister has it, and honestly I don't like the shadows or anything, so we're not using it today. And it's pretty old, but I have featured it in quite a few videos and stuff, so you guys have seen it. So she actually did upload a reveal video, and that one went up on July 25th, 2016. So a year-ish later, after her power of makeup video was uploaded. I'm gonna go in with my H&M palette, and we're gonna create a smoky look because I've just really been into it. I feel like this palette is so easy to like make a smoky look. Like, that's what it's for. And then we have a blush, we have a highlight, so I don't need to carry 2 extra products with me. I love this palette right now. I've been using it so much. It's only, I believe it's $15 on their website, but I definitely recommend you check it out. And they do have like different versions It's really nice. I'm surprised that I'm loving it this much. So we're gonna do a smoky eye. I'm gonna go into this shade, which is like a orangey situation, and take that on the brush and go into the crease with it. The actual palette collection did launch on August 15th, 2016. It's crazy that before that, I don't think she had a color, she ever collabed with anyone. Let me know if you know if Ofra first or did she collab with Too Faced first, because I honestly don't remember. I believe she collabed with Too Faced first on this palette collection. The collection did cost a total of $56. For the set, it did come with the palette. It came with a full-size eyeliner, a glitter and glitterly, which I actually own, and a mini mascara in a purple color, which I had to throw away because it was too old. Okay, going in with that blue shade in the outer corner just to kind of start deepening up, start getting ready for that black shade. So $56, that's actually what I spent on the set. I believe you couldn't buy the palette by itself. It came in the set. I don't remember, but yeah, that was like my first like ever high-end purchase at Sephora, and I remember it was like around my birthday time and I wanted to treat myself, so that's what I did. So I went back and watched her video again because it had been a couple years, you know, since she uploaded it, since I watched it. And basically she's like transforming herself before our very eyes, basically what we do every day, but we would never get the experience of seeing both at the same time, which I think that was like the revolutionary concept of that video, because I don't think we ever really thought of only doing half of our face. I don't know, that's why like people were like, oh my gosh, because you never really get the full effect of the actual power that it has of transforming stuff. Like for example, if you contour your nose, if you only contour half of it, you're gonna see a big like change. You're like, oh yeah, it does like make a difference, or it doesn't make a difference, I look the same. And you could stop doing something. For example, like my brows right now, they're okay, but I really like my natural brow. Like I just want to get like a thinner pencil to kind of just fill it in a little bit, just kind of do less makeup. I feel like I'm doing a little much right now. Now we're diving into that black shade. And then she mentions in that video that some people would tell her that they don't believe that that's her. Like she would talk to people when she had like no makeup at all, and she would show them like a picture of her in full glam, lashes and all, and they wouldn't believe her. They would say that that's not true, you photoshopped or whatever. And that's kind of what I guess inspired her to do this video. It does hold power in it, whether you go smoky, whether you go light with it. Also, like first impressions, if you're wearing a smoky look like this and you go to a job interview, you know, it's just not probably not the best situation, best idea. But if you wear a smoky look like this and you go to the club, then it's like it's normal, you know. So it does have power over what people think about you, over what you think about yourself. If you have a good makeup day, I feel like for me, when I have a good makeup day and a good hair day, I just feel powerful. Like I feel like I could talk to anyone. I have confidence in myself. I'm gonna go into some of this gray and I'm gonna take it just on a fluffy brush. I don't want it to be like super concentrated on the lid. I just want it to be kind of like all over the place, kind of messy. So when I think about Nikki Tutorials, I did enjoy her videos. I remember I used to watch her all the time, and it's crazy how this video really skyrocketed her career. I feel like it truly did. She got so many opportunities from this. She got to create her own palette. And I just went back with a little more black and put in the outer corner just to get a little more smoky. Let me know if you've done the power of makeup on yourself. Like, have you done a video or have you just done it on Instagram? Let me know so I could look at it, because that's so fun to see people do like only half of their face. It's just crazy because just now, like just looking at this is crazy. Like I'm gonna go into two project pan items, Grafix eyeliner, and make the line on the lid just to help with that smokiness. Going in with the Cherimoya Ultra Thin liner, and I'm going to create a wing. It's so easy to create a wing when you're only doing one side, because then you don't have to make them even. Going in with my H&M mattifying face primer all over the face. Oh no. Okay, I'm putting my hair back. On half of the face. Okay, next we're going in with my foundation that's in my project pan, which is my LA Colors Truly Matte Foundation, on half of my face. I like wearing foundation because of all of like my pink pigment on my face. I feel like I'm really red, and I do have like a lot of freckles and stuff, so I do use foundation to hide that. And I really love how foundation, it just creates like this like clear canvas to just do whatever with. Like, I just really enjoy it. Not to say that I'm not proud of how I look without makeup, but I really love wearing makeup. Like, I love it. It's not something that I need to wear every single day, but I really enjoy doing it. I just like it. I feel like it's a creative thing. Like, I really love transforming my face. So like I mentioned, I did start following her again recently. I did watch like her Halloween videos that she just posted, and I feel like she's really creative. I feel like she's like very unique from everyone on YouTube. She really does like think through her videos, and she's just super creative and just bubbly and really happy. But there are times when she does talk really real with us, or her fans, about certain things that are happening in her life. She did just get engaged, and it's just really cute. She did a video like talking about how it happened, and I believe that's the video that made me subscribe to her again. I feel like she's, I don't follow every single makeup person on YouTube, but I feel like she at the top of the game. Let's say 3 people up there on YouTube. Let's see, Jeffree Star, Manny MUA, what's her name, Laura Lee. I don't know, like all those people. Like, for example, Manny MUA, I just started following his videos again as well. I had unfollowed him for a while, and recently, you know, I started watching his videos again. But I've always thought that his makeup skills are not at the top. Like, they're not amazing compared to Nikki Tutorials. Like, Nikki Tutorials actually, she's just so talented, so creative. Her looks are so insanely, like, there's no words. Like, she's just so creative, and she uses gemstones on her face. She uses certain techniques that we don't think about. She uses, I love that she talks about products to the death. Like, she'll bring up a product every time she uses it, one that she loves, even if it's repetitive. She just sticks to it, and that's how you know that they actually like the product. When people talk about it all the time, it's like, okay, we know, but that's how you know that they're telling the truth. Why would she use it every single time? You know, let's say the primer, her eyeshadow primer, and she keeps bringing it up if she doesn't like it. So yeah, I feel like she's really someone that I trust with recommendations. Not so much with when she has affiliate links. I don't know, it's something about affiliate links that I'm kind of like, I'll say like, oh my god, this is so amazing, and then put like affiliate link. I feel like her channel is very unique as well. I'm gonna go in with, oh, it just broke on me. Rimmel, how dare you? It just like broke into little pieces. And no, it's all over me now. I'm going in with Rimmel powder on half of my face. I feel like she's really creative. She actually did some Halloween videos. She actually went to a haunted forest and she did her makeup there. I felt like that video was okay, but her other videos, she's just really informative, and I just enjoy watching her create such intricate makeup looks that you don't see every day. And of course, I'm not gonna try to recreate it. or that's not like the point of me watching it because I want to recreate it, but it's just like seeing her in the not in the mode, but kind of like when you get lost in makeup and you create something so beautiful. That's just like how I just love to watch her in that mode where she's just having fun and creating and thinking of what else to do and doing 2 different looks on each eye. I just really enjoy her content right now. I've really been enjoying watching her. Don't follow her, of course, like I'm not telling you who you go follow her, but I don't know, I've really been enjoying her content right now. And I do have a update. I was planning on purchasing the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star palette. I didn't want to, but then yesterday around 10 I was at work and I'm like, you know what, let me see if there's any available. That's when the crash was happening because apparently we broke the internet or broke the website or whatever. So yes, I wasn't able to get the big palette because it was sold out. And yesterday at night, I believe that by now it's sold out, but the little one was available, which is a mini controversy palette. But I was really debating if I'm just wanting to purchase it because of the hype around it, or is it because I really like the colors. And the truth is I didn't like the colors. I was thinking of so many looks to do too. Like I was like, oh well, if I buy it I could use the purple on the lid and then blah blah blah. But it's like, no girl, no, you just want it because it's hyped. Like that's just like the thing right now. And I almost fell into the hype of purchasing the little one, and I'm probably never gonna use it. I'm probably gonna use it like twice or something, and then I'm not gonna touch it because I have so many palettes that I'm not touching currently. That one's gonna come in and it's just gonna end up in the same place as the other ones. So I decided not to purchase, but it was $28, which wasn't horrible, which is why I was contemplating on picking it up, but I decided not to. I am gonna go in with the blush that's in this palette and blush up the cheeks. So I'm gonna go in with the highlight in this palette, which is right here. I don't know if you could see it, I'm sure you can. Yeah. Which is this right here, and I did already put some on my inner corner. And that's it for the palette. I love this palette, it's just so amazing. I did go in and tightline with this LA Colors Auto eyeliner. I love it. I need to repurchase. I always purchase mine at my local Dollar Tree. Some mascara. I'm using my Essence Lash Princess, and this is the orange red tube. Now lips, I'm gonna go in with my EBIN 24-hour liner, and this one's in mauve. Oh no, this one's in taupe. And then I'm gonna go in with my lipstick in my project pan, which is the Maybelline matte lipstick in brown blush. Going in with some of this NYX setting spray. So the line isn't perfect, but as you can see, this is half of my face with makeup and half of my face without. I hope you guys enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. Everything that I use on half of my face will be down below in the description box, as well as some videos that I uploaded last week. I upload every Tuesday, every Thursday, and every other Sunday. If you could stick around, that would be amazing. I'll have my Insta handle displayed here. I post a lot of finds from high-end to the drugstore, so if you're interested in that, head over there. That would be great, and it would be amazing to have you. And it would be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You are your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you on the next one. I hope you guys try this out. It was really fun and so crazy to see how it's just crazy, like how much impact actually has, how different it is. Like, it's just crazy. And I hope you guys try it if you haven't or doing this. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.